Semester 2, Standard 8, Subject Social Science. Chapter number 1, Socio-Religious Rituals. Part 2. In previous part, we have learned about the reformers Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Dayanand Saraswati. Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Dayanand Saraswati were worked to abolish many evil practices in Indian society. Today we are going to learn about the other reformers. First is Ramakrishna Paramhans. Ramakrishna Paramhans had a great knowledge and torchbearer of Indian culture. He was also a reformer and saint who had sought the truth through all the religions. Ramakrishna Paramhans was born in Karmapupur village of Hubli district in Bengal. He took interest in religious activities from his childhood and became the priest, Pujari, in the Kali temple of Dakshineshwar near Kolkata. Ramakrishna Paramhans teach on the purity of character and the Keshav Chandra Sen, Dayanand Saraswati, and many other reformers were guided by Ramakrishna Paramhans. They, influenced by the Western culture, redeveloped their faith in culture and religion of India by the preaching of Ramakrishna Paramhans. He had a great contribution towards Indian culture, religion, and their values. His great follower or student, that is Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a Bengali graduate. His original name was Narendranath Dutt. He was born in 1863 and died in 1902. Came to the contact with Ramakrishna Paramhans and asked him many questions to acquire knowledge. Narendra became his disciple and became a ascetic, means sannyasi. After acquiring the name Swami Vivekananda, he did an intensive study on Indian and Western philosophy. Swami Vivekananda advised people to serve the poor and look for the God in needy people. Swami Vivekananda teach the society that to serve the poor people is to serve the God. He imbibed pride for rich cultural heritage and faith in bright future for Indian youngsters. He had attended Parliament of Religion in Chicago in United States in year 1893. Within this influential speech, he provided understanding about the Indian philosophy and culture to the people of the world. He propagated the Indian culture by touring various countries like United States, Europe, Egypt, China, Japan, etc. His famous quote given for the people were, "Arise, awake and stop not, still the goal is achieved." Swami Vivekananda established Ramakrishna Mission in Kolkata in year 1897 in the name of his Guru, that is Ramakrishna Paramhans. His headquarters was at Bangalore. This mission adopted the ideal of service to mankind through various works. This mission followed the slogan "Service to man is service to God" by gaining the motivation from Ramakrishna Paramhans. This mission opened schools across the nation for imparting education. Hospitals were run by this mission to help the people in need. Even today, the branches of mission are functional in India and abroad. Although the life of Swami Vivekananda was short, but his teaching towards the people and his service towards the mankind is still effective to the people and society of India. His quotes, his teaching are still useful and a very great effect on the people and especially on the Indian youngsters. In next part, we will learn about the Reformation in Muslim community, Sikh community and Parsi community. Till then, you have to read these 4 pages and attain all the questions related to these 4 reformers, that is Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Dayanand Saraswati, Ramkrishna Paramhans and Swami Vivekananda in your work. Thank you.